Tom. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our English podcast. I'm Tom, and I'm David. We're really happy you're here with us today. Thank you for listening, thank you for learning, and thank you for choosing us as your English buddies. Today's topic is morning habits, the small things you do after you wake up. This topic is great for beginners because morning routines use very simple English. Yes, and you can use these phrases every single day. Daily routine English is real English. Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. It helps us a lot. All right, let's start learning together. Ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the episode. Interactive, slow, friendly, supportive. Lots of repetition for beginners. Section 1, talking about waking up. Let's start with the first phrase. I wake up at. Very easy, right? Yes, repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Good. Try again. I wake up at 6:30. Nice. And here's a tip. You can say 6:30 or you can say 6:30. Both are correct. Here's my example. My morning is simple. I wake up at 7:30. I don't use an alarm. My body wakes me up. Lucky guy. For me, I use 2 alarms. I wake up at 6. The first alarm rings, I open one eye, and then I sleep again for 5 minutes. Then the second alarm saves me. Classic. Many people do that. Let's practice together. Repeat slowly. I wake up at 7. Again, I wake up at 7:30. Great job. You're doing well. Simple and clear English. Section 2, talking about getting out of bed. Next phrase, I get out of bed. Yes, waking up is opening your eyes. Getting out of bed is standing up and leaving the bed. Here's an example. I wake up at 6, but I get out of bed at 6:15. Nice. Here is mine. I get out of bed slowly. I like to stretch. Good one. Stretching is healthy. Practice. Repeat after me. I get out of bed. One more time. I get out of bed at 7. Perfect. Section 3. Washing your face. Morning habit number 3. I wash my face. This is a very common daily routine phrase. Example. I go to the bathroom and I wash my face with cold water. Cold water is the best. It wakes me up fast. For me, warm water is better. It feels soft and relaxing. Repeat. I wash my face. Again, I wash my face every morning. Nice work. Keep going. Section 4. Brushing teeth. Next one, I brush my teeth. Yes, very important. Basic English. My example, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Nice. Mine, I brush my teeth after breakfast. I do it before breakfast. I want my mouth fresh in the morning. Haha. Many people do it differently. Both ways are okay. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Slower. I brush my teeth in the morning. Good job. Section 5. Making the bed. Next phrase. I make my bed. This means you arrange your blanket and pillow. You make your bed look nice. My example. I make my bed right after I wake up. Mine. I don't make my bed every day, but I try. At least you're honest. Repeat practice time make my bed. Again, I make my bed every morning. Amazing job. You're improving already. Section 6. Now let's talk about breakfast. Phrase, I eat breakfast or I have breakfast. Both are correct. My example, I have a quick breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana. I like that. My breakfast is simple too. I eat eggs and toast. Repeat, I have breakfast. Again, I eat breakfast at 8. Great. Keep repeating these phrases in your daily life. Section 7, drinking tea or coffee. Next phrase, I drink coffee or I drink tea. My example, I drink 1 cup of coffee, no sugar. I drink tea. I drink sweet tea in the morning. Sweet tea sounds nice. Repeat after me, I drink coffee in the morning. Again, I drink tea every day. You're doing great. Keep going. Section 8, simple morning activities. Let's add more morning habits. Here are some helpful phrases. I check my phone. I read the news. I listen to music. I stretch. I take a shower. I get dressed. Nice list. Let's give examples. I check my phone for messages. I take a shower before breakfast. I listen to calm music. I get dressed quickly. I read the news while drinking tea. Practice. Repeat, I take a shower. Repeat, I get dressed. I check my phone. Nice. Simple English, real life English. Section 9, leaving the house. Next phrase, I leave the house at. David. My example, I leave the house at 9. Mine. I leave the house at 8 for work. Practice. Tom. Repeat. I leave the house at 8. Again, I leave the house at 9:30. Good job. Listen again, loop, long form, extension. This section creates natural length for a long podcast. Lots of guided repetition plus slow explanation, mini dialogues. All right, let's do a slow repetition session. Listen first. Short routine summary. I wake up. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I get dressed. I leave the house. Now, let's say it together slowly. I wake up. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I get dressed. I leave the house. Great job. If you're listening, you're learning. Don't worry if it feels slow. Slow is good. Slow means you understand. Exactly. Slow English is clear English, and you are improving already. Mini dialogue. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6. What about you? What about you? I wake up at 7:30. I eat a banana. What about you? I eat eggs and toast. Simple, clear, real. You can use this. Repeat the dialogue. Now you try. I'll ask the question. You answer in your head or say it out loud. What time do you wake up? Good. Next question. What do you eat for breakfast? Nice. You're doing amazing. Vocabulary review. Let's repeat keywords. Wake up, get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, make my bed, eat breakfast, drink tea, take a shower, get dressed, leave the house. These words are the heart of morning English. Use them every day. All right, friends, great work today. You learned many useful morning English phrases. Let's recap quickly. I wake up. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. I have breakfast. I drink coffee. I take a shower. I get dressed. I leave the house. Simple English, real English, daily life English. Before we end, we have a fun question for you. Yes, today's community question is, what's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one. Thank you for being here with us. Keep practicing, keep learning. And remember, you're doing great. We're proud of you. See you in the next episode.